Network monitoring and management, enhancing connectivity and security. Network monitoring and management are essential components of maintaining a reliable and secure network infrastructure. They involve the systematic observation, measurement, and control of network activities to ensure optimal performance, efficiency, and security. This short text will provide an overview of network monitoring and management, highlighting their importance and key benefits. Network monitoring involves the continuous monitoring of network devices, connections, and services to detect and resolve performance issues, bottlenecks, or potential security threats. It provides network administrators with real-time insights into the health and performance of the network, enabling proactive troubleshooting and maintenance. By implementing network monitoring tools and software, organizations can gain visibility into various network parameters, such as bandwidth utilization, network traffic patterns, device health status, and application performance. This information allows administrators to identify and resolve network congestion, optimize resource allocation, and ensure efficient utilization of network resources. Network management, on the other hand, focuses on the configuration, administration, and control of network devices and services. It involves tasks such as device provisioning, software updates, security policy enforcement, and user management. Network management tools streamline these activities, providing a centralized platform to manage and monitor network devices across the organization. The benefits of network monitoring and management are manifold. Firstly, they enhance network performance and reliability by identifying and resolving issues promptly. By proactively monitoring network traffic and performance metrics, administrators can detect anomalies, bottlenecks, or potential security breaches, minimizing downtime and ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. Secondly, network monitoring and management play a crucial role in optimizing resource allocation. By analyzing network usage patterns and identifying bandwidth-intensive applications or devices, administrators can prioritize critical traffic, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure a consistent user experience. Furthermore, network monitoring and management contribute significantly to network security. They provide valuable insights into network vulnerabilities, unauthorized access attempts, or abnormal network behavior. Administrators can leverage this information to implement robust security measures, such as intrusion detection and prevention systems, firewalls, and access controls, thereby safeguarding the network against cyber threats. In summary, network monitoring and management are indispensable for organizations seeking to maintain a reliable, efficient, and secure network infrastructure.